Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the project feature in Windows. This is very useful when you want to connect your laptop to a TV, second monitor and wireless display like smart TV and projector. Let's get started. I will show you two ways to open these features, then how to connect wirelessly. Method 1, keyboard shortcut. The fastest way using keyboard shortcut, press Windows P. So together at the same time, as soon as you press it, a small menu will appear on the right side of your screen with four options. So these are four options. Using Windows search, in case you forgot the shortcut or your keyboard doesn't support, there is another easy way. Click on the search icon taskbar and uh, and type project. So I mean this one, you have type project. Under the project settings, so display. So we have these options as well. Under this we have these options. So I will explain one by one what is the of those four option. The first option is display PC only. This means your laptop screen will work normally and nothing will be sent to the second. So if you press this, so that is the PC only. Then second option is duplicates. This is the duplicate. This shows the exact same screen on both your laptop and second monitor display. This is useful for presentations when you want to audience to see exactly what you see. The third option is extend. This is turns your second screen into extra desktop space. So this one you're talking about. So you can drag windows from your laptop screen to second screen. So this is the great for multitasking, like keeping your video call on one screen and your notes on second. This is mostly useful extend. Fourth option is second screen only. This is talking about this turns off your laptop display and show everything only on the connected screen. I mean second second monitor screen. So connecting wireless display. So now if you want to connect to wireless display like a smart TV, you need to one extra step. Go to the Windows settings in the system, then click display, scroll down and click on the connect wireless display. Let's try that. Settings, system, display, scroll down and click on the connect to wireless display. So if you open this, you can see the connect to wireless display. If you click that, Windows will search for nearby devices. So make sure your TV or projector is wireless display feature is turned on too. Once it appears in the list, just click on the connect. So if you click the connect and if your TV or anything and if it has enable wireless display too, so then those list will come here and you can connect. Then you can connect from your laptop to your TV as well. So this is the great feature. So closing. That's it. Now you know two ways to open the projector menu, all four projection modes, and how to connect wireless display. If this helps to you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.